Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verification code on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click here. Then in this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.